Hey there, wonderful wordsmiths and adventure seekers. Today, we're diving into the world of verbs ending in ing, the magical words that bring your actions to life and make your sentences dance with excitement. Get ready to add a sprinkle of action to your storytelling and let your imagination soar. What are verbs ending in ing, I hear you ask? Verbs ending in ing are action words that show something happening right now. They're like the energetic dancers in your sentence, giving it a lively and dynamic twist. Let the action begin, dear wordsmiths. Imagine you want to share a story about something you're doing or experiencing. Now, add a verb ending in ing to the beginning of your sentence to make it more vibrant. Let's create some magic together. Instead of I play in the park, try huffing, I play in the park. Instead of she reads books, try focusing, she reads books. See how the verbs ending in ing, huffing and focusing, make your sentences come alive? It's like turning a regular stroll into a joyful dance through the park. You can even mix and match your verbs ending in ing into juicy phrases. Instead of huffing, I play in the park. Try huffing and puffing, I play in the park. Instead of focusing, she reads books. Try focusing and smiling, she reads books. There is no end to the action-packed arsenal of ing verbs. Here are some fantastic ing verbs to kickstart your dynamic sentences: running, jumping, exploring, singing, dancing, discovering, laughing, climbing. And then there's swimming and helping and smiling and biking and exploring and running and jumping and climbing and laughing and so many more. Why use ing verbs, I hear you ask? Using verbs ending in ing is like putting on magical shoes that make your sentences dance and twirl. It helps your readers or listeners feel the energy of your actions and get caught up in the excitement. It's not just playing, it's joyfully playing in the moment. A word of wisdom for all wonderful wordsmiths: balance is the key. While ing verbs can make your sentences dynamic, remember not to use too many. Like all magic, balance is important. Use them wisely, and your stories will be dancing gracefully. So, young wordsmiths, are you ready to set your sentences in motion? Grab your imagination shoes and let your storytelling come to life with the magic of ing verbs. Go on, off you go now, and do delicious verbing sentence starters at the start of your sentences. Have fun everyone, and see you next time in Learner Land.